Okay, this is the difference a week makes. Sitting up, I was just getting ready to change the puppy sheet, and Sadie jumped in, so she stirred them all up. I wanted you guys to see how they're moving around. Look at that. Eyes are starting to open. I got little slits, and they're just peeking out. So it's almost time to take the whelping box down so they can see the outside world. The little blue girl is, oops, where'd she go? That's her right there. That's the little yellow girl. And the rest of these are boys. There's the other little yellow girl. Is she not the cutest thing? Color is beautiful. Oh, I'm going to take a nap now. And there's that young man. He's going to snuggle down. Whoops. Now look, they're almost walking. Whoops. Did you fall down? Yep, 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 yep. I think that's little blue girl making that noise. They can't decide who's going to be whose pillow. You look cold. You guys cold? Huh? Well, now things are going to liven back up again. Sadie, lay down. You're kind of just laid down in front of the camera. Thank you. Lay down. Lay down. Lay down. You got in there. You got to feed them now. You over there, guys. Oh, shoot. I think you're directionally challenged here, but There we go. There we go. There we go. Oh, Sadie.